Hi there, I'm Greg Fisk, a solution expert at Hikvision. Today I'd like to introduce you to a new solution that helps capture clear images in low lighting. It overcomes traditional challenges to optimize lighting around the clock. Traditionally, there were two options in low lighting. The first option was to use a camera with infrared light that rendered black and white images. The second option was supplemental lighting, which enabled the camera to capture details in color. Both of these solutions have their limitations. Infrared, or IR cameras, capture only black and white video with no color detail. And with supplemental lighting, keeping bright lights on throughout the night is inconvenient and sometimes restricted in certain areas. Now let me introduce a brand new solution to resolve these challenges. Hikvision's Smart Hybrid Light Camera with ColorView. Hikvision's Smart Hybrid Lighting cameras with ColorView feature an f1 super aperture and an advanced sensor to deliver excellent color imaging in ultra-low light. Compared to conventional cameras, this type of camera can render crisp, full-color images and videos under minimal lighting conditions, thanks to Hikvision ColorView technology. These cameras also provide three types of lighting modes for image clarity under total darkness: infrared light mode, supplemental visible light mode, and a smart hybrid of the two. Here is how Hikvision Smart Hybrid Light cameras with ColorView work in total darkness. In an IR mode, the camera auto-deploys the IR in darkness. In white supplemental mode, the visible light enables continual color imaging overnight. In smart mode, the camera maintains infrared illumination and triggers visible light upon detection of a person or vehicle. This is auto-enabled by Hikvision's AccuSense classified object detection. When the person or vehicle leave the area, the camera automatically switches back to IR light. By switching lighting intelligently, these cameras deliver details with maximum efficiency at every moment. When triggered, the visible light can also deter trespassers. Users can select the mode that best suits their requirements for darkness. It is easy to configure smart lighting functions with just one click by using a Hikvision NVR DVR, video management system, camera web GUI, or the mobile app. Hikvision's Smart Hybrid Light cameras with ColorView are a powerful solution for video security monitoring every hour of day and night. To learn more about these cameras, follow the link below to our website. Thanks for joining me.